I love that sound. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Maze Adventures here on the Kiamichi Railroad, known as the KRR, on the hot rails. Here they come. There's Kiamichi Freddy. He's working. Let me get down. Oh. Huh. For a second there, I wonder why they got. I wonder why they went down at least about 6 miles an hour. I know on camera. I know on camera they were doing 10 miles an hour, but I wonder why they slowed down a little bit. I think they was doing about 15 miles an hour a little bit, or maybe that was 10 miles an hour. But I think I know why, because they're still in the work zone. And they were doing some work on the rail, and they passed the work zone, so they might have speed up now, because they sped up now. That's pretty good. Look at this new welded track. Before I head home, look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful welded track right there. Just in time. There they go. Alrighty. I'll have to come back and see this in the daytime. So like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So be good out there. Be safe. And say hi to the boys on the Kiamichi Railroad. I mean, I was too far off. I mean, I waved at them. But I think they got too busy, or those are probably new recruits. That's what I probably think. They're probably new recruits. I've never seen them before. So, or that I know them, but they just don't want to get in trouble with the boss because they're not paying attention, but they are paying attention. But sometimes they should always give a little bit of attention to the rail fan. So I've been nice to them. And they've been nice to me. They're pretty good boys, so I understand. I probably be the same way, just like they are. Just pay attention. I mean, if I was a conductor or engineer, I'd look at you, but it's too dark and stuff like that. I was like, I'm trying to pay attention. There's hazards out here, but maybe eventually, when they get to know me, just like the other crew did, they'll start waving at me. They'll start waving at me and stuff like that. I'm their little brother, so that's what I do. I mean, it's nothing personal. If they're not gonna wave at you or anything like that, I wouldn't worry about that. So don't worry about it. Just come out here and have fun out here on the Kiamichi Railroad and stuff like that. I'll see you later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'm thinking about going home. Alright, see you later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.